here's what I'm gonna need you to do. Go ahead, look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, do you really deserve that Stromboli? No, you don't. Are we good? Hey guys, this is Anthony from Garagistic, and we have another fantastic product to kind of show you guys. So this is the Mercedes-Benz seat bracket, specifically for 190Es. Everything on this product is extremely universal. The only fixed portion of this seat bracket is these front mounting holes here. So these front mounting holes are gonna go ahead and mount to the front seat brackets, and then everything else is literally 100% adjustable. We have the side bracket mounting holes, so you can do narrow seats or wide seats or anything in between. And then we have these seat brackets for the back half of the seat bracket. And then we have the seatbelt bracket. So the seatbelt bracket can literally be used on the driver's side or the passenger side, either here or here. It even fits a USB style holder on the front side or the back side, depending on where you want it to go. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this and then throw it in our good old diesel. Let's get to it. Some of my favorite options about this seat is the optional USB port. So we have two mounting locations for this bracket. We have here on the back side, on the top and the bottom, as well as you can mount it upside down, top, bottom, whatever you need for your clearance issues. Or if you kind of want to avoid all those other problems on the back side or having clearance issues, you can also mount it in the front here. So if you need to run like a GoPro or like you're running low on battery in your car, it's a good solution. So, optional USB bracket. Let's go ahead and bolt this thing on. So now we have this all finished up, we can go ahead and start to line up our seat brackets. If you know the size of your seat already, this is already pretty simple and kind of easy. If you need to, you can go ahead and put the brackets in and adjust them from side to side, and then go ahead and get your seat mounted in. So once we get these things adjusted, we'll go ahead and throw them right in the 190. So now that we have the seat brackets bolted in, they're hand tight. We got them a little bit started, so we're gonna go ahead and keep them loose, throw our seat in and make our adjustments. After we made our adjustments, we'll go ahead and tighten this thing up, mount our seat. Let's get to it. A little snug there. Oh, yep, crack and popping, that's normal. Go to the gym, kids. It makes putting in car parts easier. Yeah. Small recommendation. You might want to grab a friend just to make the install a little bit easier. Derek, friend, help. Why? Really? Okay. All right. I'll remember that. I'll remember that. All right. So those are started. And we can go ahead, bolt these boys in. Word of advice. Put your bucket seat in before you put the roll cage in. It's doable. Build a roll cage around the seat. My head. Oh my God. Well, we are in, and now that we have this bucket seat installed, we can responsibly go out and hang out with our friends at the racetrack, or, you know, do whatever it is you like to do with two bucket seats in a 2 horsepower 190 Mercedes. So that's it for installation. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and check out this product at garagistic.com. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to us at support@garagistic.com. In the meantime, I need to go find a driver to go have some fun with. Peace.
You got it.
Yeah, we did it. Shout out to Derek. That's my dude. Are you not? Oh, he's doing the reveal. Oh, he's letting me hold the camera. Dude, look at this guy. Hey, yo. Hey, Derek, let me hold the camera. Somebody help. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look, I look weird. This don't look right. It's us. We doing that thing. Oh my God, this is awesome.
Go.